Naming my daughter after my ex's daughter, I thought I'd healed from the pain of my past, until my ex's daughter made me second guess everything. Years ago, my world was shattered when I discovered that my fiancé, Jane, had been cheating on me with my brother, John. They'd been having an affair behind my back for months. The worst part? My parents and sister knew about it and didn't tell me. That betrayal broke me and I cut them all out of my life, vowing never to trust them again. I started fresh. I married Adrian, who was my rock through it all. When our twins were born, I named my daughter Mary after my late grandmother, a woman who meant everything to me. The name was something my family had cherished for generations. I thought it would be the perfect way to honor her legacy. Then the calls came. My aunt was livid, accusing me of being disrespectful to my ex's daughter, also named Mary. Apparently, her Mary was hurt by my choice. I couldn't believe it. I have no relationship with them anymore, and my daughter carries a different last name. Why should my ex's child dictate what I name mine? To me, this was about honoring my grandmother, not my ex.